Alright, let's see if we can get these out. I think. There's 1, 2. I don't know if it goes this way. I remember last time I put these on, there was no control arms. I got one loose. Here it is. There it is. That's one. Let's see. Oh! There it is. Yes. It's loose. Is it loose or did I just skip it? Nope. I don't know. How do you get this one off without taking the control arm off? Yes. There's number 2. All right, where's the third one? I have no idea. What happened to the flash? Dope. Where the hell's the third one? Oh, there it is. I don't think I can get on that one. How the hell do you get on that one? Through here? There, hold on. Hold on, boys. Oh, there it is, right there. It'll go straight up. In there. That's 3. That's 1. Nope, I can get on it with this. hand. There we go. Go. Spit it up. I think the hardest part about putting the new engine in is going to be putting the new pads on. It says right. So it has an R on it. There's one big problem with this car. The frame is so stiff with the roll bar and gussets. Look at it. You cannot get it to sit on all four jack stands. You know how a normal car just settles down like, this thing. Look how stiff it is. You got to be careful when you're working on it because you could kick the goddamn jack stand out of one side. I usually shim them with something just to keep it from rocking, but I haven't. There's no motor in it. But I think I'm going to have to. Once I get all this stuff out and the motor out of here this weekend, I'll be able to move it over a little more so that I'm not pinned up against the wall here. But, I mean, it is what it is. This is where I work. I built 3 or 4 cars in this garage, so now I got to take the MSD out. And it's right here behind these. It's under the dashboard, so these 4 bolts are the isolators. So I'll wing those off, and then I need the coil wire and the MSD plug. I'll be able to pull it back through. It's right here. And then I'll just get under the dash, my fat ass, and try to get that out of there. I don't want to cut these wires because they're already the right length for a 455 and an A body, so you don't have to do anything to them. Yeah, it's the coil positive negative and the MSD trigger. I just got to get a cutter, cut those and the zip ties. Let me get that. And I don't know if I explained this. This is the oil gauge, but this goes in the ignition. If the oil pressure goes below, I think 15, it shuts the motor off. So I've always had that. In your racing motor, you've got to have it. You go down the track and one moment of inattention, it's never going off, so that's good. All right, let me get a cutter and cut all that crap off and we'll zing those bolts off. All right, let's see, what do we got here? We got a little tape. That. Now we got one. Now who's texting me? Always texting. Everybody wants a piece of me. Well, I better check because it is winter and I am on call. And it sounds insistent. Let me check. Okay. This one is factory wrapped. And it's right here. I have to probably take that out to get the plug through. And then this one I just wrapped. So, yeah, it goes through that lower one. It's right over the wire block. All right, let's see. In reality, I don't know where this guy's going to mount this stuff. He'll probably mount it out here. I don't know. But whatever. He'll have all the wires. Everything else in the car is going. I'm going to get one of those digital dashes, and I'm going to have to cut all this out again because it's all welded up. And get a vintage air. But I think vintage air, you just drill a little hole, right? I don't know. And I'm going to need a whole kit for the windshield wipers. But I think I'm going to buy all new, because the new ones have sealed bearings. You know, it's just not bushings. You know, it's all modern stuff. We'll see. I'm going to get brakes. Because that, I bought a new rear. It has the, Explorer rear brakes with the shoes in it for the emergency brake. And I bought the kit that goes for the A-body from them, and it should all bolt right in. That's another video. All right, let's see if we can wriggle our ass in there without knocking the car off. I wonder if it'd be easier to go from the other side, but the door doesn't open all the way. Yeah, see, there it is right there. All right. Yeah, here it is. There we go. That's this one. There we go. Actually, yeah, this one is the extension. I could probably just pull that back out. Then I'm pretty sure these are, yeah. That we don't need. It's all the relays up here. It was easy when I did this. I had all the dash off. I had the glove compartment out. There it is. It looks like a rat's nest, but it was all tucked up under here, so. There it is. That one is the power. This one is the tack. Right, the gray. That's that. This is the ignition. Come on, I can't see it. Oh, it's this zip tie. That zip tie. There it is. It's the ground. There we go. All right, I just got to get the ground off now. Goes over here. Oh, it's killing me. I should have cut these bars off because I'm going to cut the door bars out of this thing so it's easier to get in and out and leave everything else so it keeps the car nice and stiff. Oh, here it is. Okay, that's that. Yeah, I need to cut this. Okay, let me go see if I can pull that out. There we go. Bounce. Oh, of course, it's caught between these two wires. Here we go. Hold on. There we go. Better. Here's the coil wire. Oh no, this wire was the cutoff for the ignition off of that oil switch. All right, I know what I need. Still calling me. Yeah, let's cut this one. All right, that's everything. I think I got the motor, the headers, the exhaust, the hood, starter, motor mounts, the ignition, the fuel system, and I think that's it. Little odds and ends I've got, bolts and other stuff, but that's all going out. I'm leaving this weekend. Actually, I'm going right out into the toxic wasteland of eastern Ohio. So we'll see how it goes. Maybe I should bring my respirator I use to clean furnaces. All right, we'll see you next time.